Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite code execution cannot proceed because gameinput.dll failed to load. All right, let's begin. First, open the start menu, type CMD and run it as administrator. Now type the command shown on screen and press enter to scan and repair system files. After that, download the game input file from a trusted website using your browser. Once downloaded, install the file on your system. Next, open this PC, go to the C drive, then open the Windows folder and navigate to System32. In the search bar, type game input to locate the file named gameinput.redist.dll. Right-click the file, select rename, and remove the word redist from its name, then confirm the change. After renaming, relaunch Fortnite, and the error should be resolved. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite. Code execution cannot proceed because gameinput.dll failed to load. That's it for this video. Thanks.